Hi, I'm Patrick Perry. I'd like to show you planes, trains, and automobiles. Cap Dispatcher, he's a bad guy. I'd like to show you.
Yeah, where you going?
Chicago.
Chicago?
Chicago.
You know you're in St. Louis?
Yes, I do.
Why don't you try the airline? It's a lot faster and you get a free meal.
What are you doing? I almost crushed your head like a melon.
Hell?
Get your car out of here! Now I'll move my car, but I want you to help him up. No!
My pleasure.
Well, I hope like my videos. I hope you like it. Well, maybe that's it.